She's attempting to putting her socks on. Oh shit. You almost got it, girl. You killed it. You got distracted. Look. Put your boots on, girl. Póntela.
Papi.
No, mami te compró eso. Mami. God. Where are you going? Those are my feet, girl. Why are you kicking? I'm gonna put your socks back on. Give me your toes. Where's your mom going? Come here. And stay there. Hey! Put them back on. Give me. Dame, yo te la pongo. Dame. Ay, qué bonita. Un besito.